Namaste. Basic concepts and formula PUC or 11th and 12th content. Article number 4, complex trigonometry. A number of the form z equal to x plus iy. I is imaginary. So x is the real axis or real number. Y is imaginary axis or imaginary number, where x, y are real numbers and I equal to square root of minus 1, or I square equal to minus 1 is called a complex number in the Cartesian form. X is called the real part of z and y is called the imaginary part of z. So z bar equal to x minus iy is called the complex conjugate of z. ಸೊ ಈ ಝೆಡ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಾರ್ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಝೆಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಝೆಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ವೈ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ O to P. OP line OP, so that is radius R. Point P of x comma y. So angle of POM is theta. PM is perpendicular to the x-axis. The point x comma y is plotted in the XOY plane and let OP equal to R. PM is drawn perpendicular to the x-axis. From the figure, OM equal to x, PM equal to y, angle of POM equal to theta. Further, cos theta equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse side, x divided by R. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, y divided by R, or PM divided by OP. That is x equal to R cos theta and y equal to R sin theta. Squaring and adding, x square plus y square equal to R square into cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So then x square plus y square equal to R square. Next, R equal to square root of x square plus y square. ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು shifted to this side. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇರೋದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Dividing, tan theta equal to y by x. Then theta equal to tan inverse. This tan is shifted to this side. So tan inverse of y by x. Note, here x comma y can be in any one of the following forms. First one, plus x plus y. So this is first quadrant. Second one, minus x plus y. So this is second quadrant. So x positive, y positive. So first quadrant. So x is negative and y is positive. So x is negative and y is positive. So that is second quadrant. So x is negative, y is also negative. So that is third quadrant. X is positive, y is negative. So plus or minus, so that is fourth quadrant. These points are respectively in first, second, third and fourth quadrants. Accordingly, we have to appropriately take theta. Firstly, we find phi equal to tan inverse of b by a, absolute value of or mod of b by a. The appropriate value of theta respectively in the four cases are as follows. The first one, theta equal to phi. Second one, theta equal to pi minus phi. Then third one, theta equal to pi plus phi. Fourth one, theta equal to 2 pi minus phi. Example, consider 1 plus I. Consider 1 plus I, minus 1 plus I, minus 1 minus I, 1 minus I. See here, this is real axis x positive, so y is also positive. So first quadrant, minus 1 plus I. So minus 1 andre x, minus x and plus y. So this is second quadrant. So this is plus 1, this is minus 1. Okay, real axis plus 1, minus 1. Imaginary axis plus I and here minus I. So 1 plus I, minus 1 plus I, minus 1 minus I, 1 plus 1 minus I. Like that. Right? Here phi equal to tan inverse of 1 by 1. So that is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. So equal to tan inverse of 1 is 45 degree, otherwise pi by 4 radian. The associated theta in the 4 cases are respectively theta equal to pi by 4, theta equal to pi minus pi by 4. Andre illige. So theta equal to phi alla. So phi andre pi by 4. Theta equal to pi minus pi by 4. So take LCM. 4 pi minus pi is 3 pi divided by 4. Then theta equal to pi plus phi. Pi plus pi by 4. Take LCM. 4 pi plus pi is 5 pi divided by 4. Theta equal to 2 pi minus phi. So phi is pi by 4. Take LCM. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 pi by 4. Z equal to x plus iy. So then z equal to x is r cos theta plus I, y is r sin theta. Take r as common. R into cos theta plus I into sin theta is called as the polar form of z. Further, it may be noted that e power of I theta equal to cos theta plus I into sin theta. Thus, z equal to r into e power of I theta is the polar form of z, where r is called the modulus of z and theta is called the amplitude or argument of z. Symbolically, we have r equal to mod of z, modulus of z, equal to square root of x square plus y square. Theta is amplitude of z or argument of z, amp z or rz, equal to tan inverse of y by x. Also, we have e power of minus I theta equal to cos theta minus I into sin theta. And hence we can write e power of I theta plus e power of minus I theta equal to e power of I theta is cos theta plus I into sin theta plus e power of minus I theta is cos theta minus I into sin theta. So plus I sin theta and minus I sin theta get cancelled, 2 cos theta. When subtract these two, e power of I theta minus e power of minus I theta, so then cos theta plus I into sin theta minus cos theta minus plus I into sin theta. So plus cos theta minus cos theta get cancelled, 2 times of I sin theta. De Moivre's theorem. If n is a rational number, positive or negative integer, fraction, then cos theta plus I into sin theta to the power of n equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Thank you so much.